Buying something online often feels completely instant, but when you move products across an ocean, you're dealing with hundreds of tons of steel and months of logistics. Success in global manufacturing comes from following a specific sequence of professional steps, rather than treating a factory like a digital retail store. Approaching production as a technical project ensures your goods arrive exactly as you designed them, keeping your costs low and your supply chain reliable. Your protection starts at the law. In China, the system rewards speed. They use a first-to-file rule, meaning whoever registers a brand name or a patent first owns it, even if they didn't invent it. A standard legal shield from your home country often shatters here. You need an NNN agreement. It's a triple-layered contract that stops a factory from sharing your ideas, using them for profit, or selling directly to your customers. Registering these specific legal rights before you send your first inquiry is the only way to contact suppliers safely. This sea of options represents the thousands of suppliers you'll find online and at trade shows. To find the right partner, you have to look past the shiny brochures and identify actual factory owners instead of the middlemen. You can hire independent auditors to walk the factory floor and check business licenses. You are looking for hard evidence that their machines and safety certifications are real. In sourcing, the core rule is to only trust a supplier's capabilities after on-the-ground verification separates their marketing from the manufacturing reality. Business in China is built on a foundation of mutual trust called guanxi. As you see with these two people in Shanghai, these personal connections usually begin long before any contracts are signed. When you negotiate, keep discussions private and respectful to preserve your partner's dignity or face. This collaborative approach often leads to better pricing and more flexible terms. Practicing this cultural framework leads to a more reliable partnership and better support from the factory when you need it most. Once the contracts are officially signed and your final prototype is deemed perfect, the factory immediately begins mass production. To avoid expensive mistakes, send an inspector when production is a quarter finished to catch errors early. Before goods leave, perform one final statistical check on a random sample to ensure consistent quality. Only release the final payment once goods pass the standard. Quality control is a process you manage directly to protect your money before your products ever leave the factory floor. Moving your goods home requires standardized shipping rules. These dictate exactly when the responsibility for the cargo passes from the seller to you. With a port-side handoff, often called FOB, your responsibility starts the moment the goods are loaded onto the ship in China. With a to-your-door arrangement, or DDP, the supplier handles every tax and fee until the boxes arrive at your warehouse. A freight forwarder manages the paperwork required to clear customs. Their job is to keep your cargo moving through high-stakes environments like this one. Clearly defining these handoff points prevents hidden fees and ensures your product isn't legally stranded at an international border. Receiving your first order is just the beginning. You need to stay in constant contact with your factory to keep production moving smoothly year-round. Success comes down to the basics. Secure your legal rights, verify every claim a supplier makes, respect the local culture, and never skip an inspection. Doing business in China takes careful preparation, but it gives you the power to build a production line that grows alongside your business.